Hello, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, February 26th, 2025, we're going to analyze the NZDUSD pair using both current news and candlestick charts to find good times to trade. First, let's look at some recent news, including New Zealand home prices forecasting a rise in 2025 and 2026, according to a Reuters poll. We see the US dollar strengthening recently, but the NZD is slightly stronger overall compared to months ago, but it's still difficult to predict. Economies.com reports the NZDUSD price ended yesterday above 0.5738 after confirming the completion of a bullish pennant, suggesting a positive motive. FX Leaders reports the current market price is $0.574, up 0.7% from the previous close. Now, let's move on to the chart data and see if we can find correlation with these news events. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a downtrend has occurred throughout most of the past year, before a slight rise at the end of the chart. From this, we can see a period of consolidation that is attempting to break upward. Zooming in on this consolidation period, we can see it bounced off a few points to form a support. A likely support level is around 0.617, where it bounced in late February 2024, and if it breaks below, then it's likely to continue the downtrend. Given the recent news about the bullish pennant, we can see that it will likely break through the resistance. The last few candles are showing some consolidation near 0.573, but the long-term trend indicates a potential move towards 0.58, especially if positive economic reports continue to support the NZD. If the price fails to hold above 0.57, we might see a test of lower support levels around 0.568, which was identified earlier by FX Leaders, especially if global risk sentiment deteriorates due to geopolitical factors, given the Ukraine news. For a short-term perspective, let's switch to the 1-hour chart and focus on the recent price action over the last few weeks. The 1-hour chart reveals some choppiness, with the price fluctuating between 0.571 and 0.574. This indicates a battle between bulls and bears in the short term. Let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart to look at the last day. If we can break past 0.573, we may go as high as 0.577 to try and break the long-term resistance. Overall, given the current market conditions and news, I think there's a 60% chance it'll break past the resistance of 0.575 in the next few days. If there's USD strength due to news reports, such as positive home sales report, that will reinforce the likelihood of breaking the support. On the other hand, the RBNZ's actions and Reuters' forecast of home price rising, this may push the price to break through the resistance of 0.575, 0.576, or even 0.577.